Okay, so part 2 of our outdoor controller project is the outdoor enclosure. So since I have a Rachio system, you can buy the Rachio outdoor enclosure. Let's see if you can see that here in the shade. And it fits the unit perfectly. So keep it away from water and everything like that. So you need a few parts and pieces. So you can buy the enclosure, but most likely you also need a cord, and you'll need a little gasket here. You can see that you need a little gasket to mount it in. So let's open this up here. Okay, see what's inside. So on the inside, basically you have an internal plug. So the Rachio will power through a little wall plug, but then this outlet has, this outdoor container has an outlet here inside. So it plugs into that. But you have to get your cord connected. So the good thing is at Rachio's website, they give you a link to an Amazon plug and the little gasket that goes in there. So basically we have to connect the whites to the whites, the greens to the greens, and the black to the black lines to power our unit. So I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to do that, and we'll show you what that looks like. Okay, so we have made the connection wire for the plug, and one of the things that I used here was these push plugs. So instead of using the kind of the screw nuts that they give you here, those are common for any sort of electrical wiring. Sometimes they're hard to screw in and get things in there. So they sell these like push plug-in things, and they seem to work pretty well. I kind of like them. So I've never used them before, but in this case it was easier to kind of like grip. When you got big fat hands like me, it's hard to grip these things and put them in. So they seem to go in there pretty well, and they seem to be pretty sturdy. So I might try them with other electrical projects, and you will find them at your local Home Depot. They're just called Ensure push-in wire connection. So give it a try. But for these little projects like this, it seems to be good. So now I'm going to push these down, close it up, and then test out the electricity, make sure everything works. So we'll try that. Alright, so let's test our connections here. So one, we got our plug here that's covered and waterproofed for the electricity for our outdoor Rachio container. So now we have it plugged in, we have it wired here, and guess what? The light is on. So we have electricity. So in my novice electrical skills here, you can see that the lamp turns on and it's plugged right in there. So phase 1 of the project, basically basic electricity and power, that seems to work just fine, hopefully. So the next step then is going to be replacing the current watering hoses, and then mounting this and getting the Rachio up and configured so we have power. So we will cut it off there, and we'll continue on with the projects as we go through.